Hello students, welcome once again in online classes. This is class 7, social science class. Students, we have completed the first lesson of geography and first lesson of history. Today I will start the first lesson of civics. The first lesson of civics is equality in Indian democracy. Students, let's start. In the previous classes, we studied about democracy and its feature like people's participation, the resolution of conflict, equality and justice. In this chapter, we will explore the concept of the equality further and try to understand its importance in democracy. We will also take a look whether or not everyone is equal in reality. But before it, we need to understand our social structure right from the beginning of human civilization. Here is a term: what is democracy? Democracy means a system of government in which power to rule lies in the hands of people. Ours is an age of democracy. Democratic form of government has been functioning in most of the states today. English word democracy has been derived from two Greek words, demos and kratia. Demos means people and kratia means power. Thus, democracy means power of the people. Democracy means power of the people. Different writers have defined democracy in different ways, but the meaning in simple words is that democracy is a government which depends on the constant of the governed, that is the people. According to Professor Sile, democracy is a government in which everyone has a share. According to Professor Shelley, democracy is a government in which everyone has a share. American President Abraham Lincoln defined democracy. You know the name of Abraham Lincoln. He was the American president. He defined democracy as a government of the people, by the people, and for the people. He defined democracy as a government of the people, by the people, and for the people. It can rightly be inferred that under democracy, sovereign authority of the state is vested in the people. Administration is conducted by the will of the majority based on the welfare of society as a whole. In simple way, we can say democracy is a government for the people. Emergence of democracy in modern societies. Democracy as a form of government is as old as monarchy. Democracy originated in the Greek city of Athens 2500 years ago. The modern democracy is quite different from the democracy prevalent in ancient Greece, but that democracy is very different from the modern democracy. From there, it spread to many countries of Europe. In Europe, it started in the beginning of the 17th century when there were many political revolutions aimed at putting certain limitations or restrictions over the absolute powers of the monarch and feudal lords. The Glorious Revolution 1688 was a great landmark in the expansion of democracy in England, and the French Revolution 1789 to 1815 was another landmark which the French people emphasized that the country should be ruled by laws passed by the people. They told that country should be ruled by law passed by the people. Students, this is enough for today. Read this chapter very carefully. I will complete the remaining chapter in next video. Take care. Goodbye.